In the relentless flow of time, humanity has sought to measure its passage, leading to the creation of the mechanical clock. A marvel of ingenuity, these devices are not just tools but artifacts of our history. Inside every clock lies a world of complexity. Gears, springs, and escapements work in harmony, a testament to the craft that has evolved over centuries. Repairing these timepieces is an art form. Each component, meticulously restored, speaks to the clock's journey through time. It's a process that demands patience, precision, and a deep appreciation for mechanics. The tools of the trade, tiny screwdrivers, tweezers, and magnifying glasses, are the keys to unlocking the secrets held within. For the clock repairer, each tick restored is a step back in time, a connection to the clockmakers of yore. Today, a dedicated community of hobbyists and professionals keeps the tradition alive. Their work ensures that these keepers of time continue to tick, bridging the past and the present. In their hands, every repaired clock is a celebration of human ingenuity and the timeless nature of our existence. As we move into the future, the art of clock repair faces new challenges and opportunities. Digital technology, while seemingly in contrast with the mechanical nature of traditional clocks, presents an interesting dichotomy. It's a reminder of the importance of preserving these traditional skills, even as we advance into a digital age. Yet it also offers the potential for innovation within the field of clock repair. As we tick forward, the art of clock repair continues to evolve, preserving the past while embracing the future.